take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alifia if you're new here, and I know we're talking to my hands, but we're getting ready to do a nail video, and I want to say thank you to Beetles for sending over the products that I'm about to use. This is not a paid video, however they did send me over some things to share with you guys. I'm very happy about this because when I first started doing my nails, Beetles was one of the first company I started buying products from, and I love their products. So let me show you guys what they sent over for me to try. First off, they sent over the Tipex Instant Apex Innovative Pre-Building Nail Tips. This is durable and easy nail extension, strong acrylic instant apex, pre-shaped, pre-etched, and pre-sculpt. So this should be pretty much very easy, or take me less time than when I have to sculpt out or etch out my nails. And I have a flat nail bed, so I think it's going to be cool seeing how these are, since they have that instant apex and the other ones I get from the other company, they don't. So let's see what's in the box. So in the box, we have our nails, and they sent me over, I guess these are almond, or are these stilettos? Yeah. Oh gosh, I can feel, I feel the thickness on there. Oh, are they gonna fit? Are they gonna fit? I do have some pretty small nail beds, so yeah. Okay. I like that. I like that. I was going to change the shape since I've been wearing my nails like in this shape. I'm going to change them and make them coffin, but I think I'm just going to leave them like that. And then I have the long-lasting nail glue. So they send the nail glue as well. And a file, a nail file. And then, oh, there is a lamp in here, which I won't be using this lamp. I just bought me a new lamp because my other lamp went out. But I do want to show you what the lamp looks like. And I'm guessing, I don't know whether the light stays on or if you can just turn it on. So that's what's in here. The next thing they sent me is the Beetles 6 Colors Nail Gel Polish Set. So let's look at these polishes. Beautiful. 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 Oh my goodness. So let's look at this one. And these are full-size bottles, 15 ml, long-lasting, highly pigmented, self-leveling. And this color, do they have a color on them? 0419. I don't have anything to do swatches on. I don't know where they are. So I'm just going to show you here through the bottle like this. Very long. Very pretty color. Then this one is 0420. Let me shake them up a little bit. Just a little bit darker than the other one. Let me guess, 421. Yay! Oh, this one has like a burgundy hue to it a little bit. Oh my. 0433. Oh, that one is so pretty. That is a very dark burgundy looking color. Let us try this again. There we go. She was pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to use this one. I am going to have to use this one. Oh, I love that sparkle in there. Oh my goodness. They also sent me this 36 color nail polish kit, which is probably in their smaller sizes. I don't know. I'm assuming. I have only ever had their polishes in the smaller size. So these reds are my first time having their polishes in the larger size. Yes, they are the smaller ones. And oh my goodness, this is a lot of colors. So they send all these colors, and then they have a glitter top coat, a top coat matte, a regular top coat, and then a base gel. And, okay. Oh, we got a nice thick buffer. A buffer, and then a nail file, and what else? Nail clippers, and an orange wood stick. Okay, so I am not going to open up all these colors, because if I do that, I will be here all night, but they are beautiful. So thank you so much, Beetles, for sending me over these colors. So now let's get these nails done and see what colors I'm going to use. Now, usually when I put my nails on, I have me a brush ready and I have me a brush and some acetone ready to get up any mess up, but I don't have that with this. Wait. Whoa, that's like a gel. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Do y'all see that? Now I'm gonna press it down. I'm gonna press it down, and then I'm gonna cure it in my little lamp right here. Quick cure. Oh, look at that apex, girl. Okay, so all the nails are on, and they definitely look different. Let me zoom this out a little bit. They definitely look different from what I'm used to. So what I'm going to do now is file these little tips off. I'm going to file them real light because I don't want to lose the shape of the nail.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be.
I like how clear they are. These, I could do the glass nail design if that's what I wanted to do. Now on some of them, I did have some to come out on the edges, like here, some oozed out. And if it weren't for that, some of it oozing out around the edges, I don't think I would go in with my drill. But I am going to go in just to make sure everything is copacetic. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and it is 2 days later. And because I had to end up stopping, so I had put some pink on just to last me a couple of days. But I just kind of buffed that off and went around my cuticles because I kind of flooded them when I polished them because I was doing it so fast. Let me get this out of the way. So therefore, I'm back to do my nails. I had this one particular design in mind that I was going to try to do, but I changed my mind. So I am going to try to pull this off, but with different colors. Now, mind you, I know I can't do these flowers like this. I know that, but I am going to try to do something similar, or just at least put a line through there or something like that, because I've never done a flower. Never.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't.
Y'all see how good this polish does with one coat? Just one. you guys, so this is what I ended up coming up with. I told you guys that I knew I wasn't going to be able to do the flower, so I just put the gems to separate from the two colors. When I tell y'all, this polish is awesome. I don't know, like, I guess they have a new formula because it feels different from the other polishes I have from Beetles. It feels almost like like I said, the potted colors, but of course it's not potted. Even the top coat is thicker. I didn't feel like going through putting on rings and all that because it's night. A girl is about to take a shower and get relaxed. But yes, thank you so much, Beetles, for sending these things over to me. I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video here on the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. Peace out, Boy Scout. Bye. Peace out, Boy Scout. Sorry, I had to come back real quick. I forgot to tell you guys the Tipex nails. It is taking some getting used to because I'm not used to having this like big arch in my nails. It reminds me of how my mom's nails used to be because hers would have that because she didn't have a flat nail bed like I have. So, but it's taking some getting used to. Could have polished that better right there. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all this.